Hey everyone, it's me Payal and thank you so much for watching. So today I'm going to show you how to make this light up tunnel greeting card. It's a tunnel card. You can see it's so beautiful. I just love it. And here's the switch. So it looks like this. So I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful card, and if you like this card then make sure you hit the like button. So in this project I'm going to use Dress My Craft Magnolia's paper collection. So first of all I'm going to use Magnolia's motif sheet and I'm going to fussy cut all these elements, and then I'm going to fussy cut this paper from the same collection. So in this way all the elements are ready. I already fussy cut all of them like this. After that I'm going to cut the center part of this window. This part is little bit tricky, but you just have to do it with lots of patience. So it's gonna look like this. And then I'm going to use vellum paper and I'm going to stick this window on the top of this vellum paper like this. I'm going to put all the links in a description box, so if you want to buy the Dress My Craft product you can easily buy from those links. And after that I'm just fussy cutting this extra vellum paper as you can see in a video, and it looks like this. So after that I took 5x7 inch printed paper from a Magnolia's paper collection, and then I am marking in the center of upper half, and then I am going to cut that portion. So below the cut portion I am going to stick LED lights so we can see the lights through the window. I am going to stick my window on the top of this printed paper like this. So all the elements are ready for my greeting card. Now I am going to create the base for that card. For the base I am going to use 12x7 inch cardstock, and then I am going to use Dress My Craft scoring board and I am going to score this cardstock from a 5 inch, 6 inch, 11 inch and a 12 inch. And for the tunnel window I am going to score it again from a half inch, 4.5 inch, and then I am going to score it vertically like a half inch and 6.5 inch like this. And then I am going to cut the center part of this cardstock, so it's gonna look like this. So after that I created a complete circuit using 2 wire, a battery and SMD LED, and then I created on-off switch using half folded paper. I stick the positive side of the circuit to the battery and the negative side I stick to the folded paper. So whenever I press the paper it completes the circuit and the lights will turn on. And then I am going to stick this circuit on the top of this base. So after that I am going to use cardboard. I already stick couple of cardboard together to give some height, and then I am going to stick it on the base, and then I am going to stick my window on the top of my base. And then I am going to stick another layer. So for the height I am going to stick all the layers with the cardboard, so it's gonna create proper height. And then I am going to make complete tunnel card. So for that I am going to stick both the end of the base. So for that I am using red tacky tape to stick it like this. And in the last I am going to stick all my fussy cuts on the top of my project, and for that I am using a cardboard to give some dimension. You can also use two-way tape. And in the last I am going to use Dress My Craft frosted sugar powder, and I am going to stick that powder here and there on my project to give some shine. And then I am going to use flower pulse in a shade of pink, and I'm going to stick this beautiful flower pulse here and there on my project. This way my light up tunnel greeting card is ready, and I hope you like it. I used all the product from the Dress My Craft, so if you want to buy the same product then just check the description box so you can buy from the Dress My Craft website. I hope you like this video. If you like, then make sure you hit the like button, and if you have any doubt regarding this card then just comment below. I will help you for that thing. I'll see you soon with my new tutorial. Till then,